YouTube has revolutionized the way we consume and share video content, becoming a global phenomenon and an integral part of our digital lives. But how does YouTube operate as a business? In this video, we will delve into the strategies and factors that have contributed to YouTube's success and explore how the platform monetizes its vast user base and content ecosystem. User-generated content. YouTube's foundation lies in its vast library of user-generated content. Everyday individuals, content creators, and businesses upload videos on a wide range of topics, building a rich and diverse content ecosystem that attracts billions of viewers. This user-generated content serves as the lifeblood of the platform, driving engagement and ad revenue. Monetization through advertising. YouTube's primary revenue stream comes from advertising. The platform offers various ad formats, such as pre-roll ads, display ads, and sponsored content, allowing businesses to reach their target audience effectively. YouTube's advanced targeting capabilities, powered by user data and Google's advertising infrastructure, enable advertisers to deliver relevant and personalized messages to users. Creator economy. YouTube has fostered a thriving creator community, empowering individuals and businesses to monetize their content through ad revenue, channel memberships, merchandise sales, and sponsored collaborations. The platform provides a range of tools and resources for creators to build their audience, engage with fans, and generate income from their content, creating a mutually beneficial ecosystem. YouTube Premium and subscriptions. To offer an ad-free experience and additional perks to users, YouTube introduced YouTube Premium, a subscription-based service. Subscribers gain access to exclusive content, background play, and offline viewing, providing an alternative revenue stream for the platform while enhancing user satisfaction. YouTube partnerships and collaborations. YouTube actively engages in partnerships and collaborations with various entities, including media organizations, production studios, celebrities, and influencers. These collaborations help expand the platform's content offerings, attract new audiences, and drive user engagement. By partnering with established brands and personalities, YouTube can tap into their existing fan bases and leverage their influence to reach wider audiences. Content monetization. Beyond traditional advertising, YouTube offers multiple avenues for content creators to monetize their videos. These include channel memberships, Super Chat, YouTube Premium revenue share, merchandise shelf integration, and sponsored content. By providing diverse monetization options, YouTube incentivizes creators to produce high-quality content and build sustainable businesses on the platform. Community engagement. YouTube places great emphasis on fostering a sense of community among its users. Features such as comments, likes, shares, and subscriptions enable users to interact with content creators and each other. The platform also facilitates community building through features like live chat during premieres and live streaming events. This engagement and sense of belonging keep users coming back to the platform and contribute to its overall success. YouTube Originals. To further expand its content offerings and attract premium content, YouTube invests in the production of original programming. YouTube Originals feature exclusive shows, documentaries, and movies created by renowned creators and celebrities. These original productions help differentiate YouTube's content library and draw in audiences seeking unique and high-quality content. Global reach. YouTube has a global footprint, with localized versions of the platform available in multiple languages. This global reach allows content creators and businesses to target specific regions and connect with diverse audiences worldwide. YouTube's international expansion strategy has been crucial in growing its user base and establishing itself as a truly global platform. Data-driven insights and analytics. YouTube provides creators and advertisers with robust data analytics and insights. Through YouTube Analytics, creators can gain valuable information about their audience demographics, engagement metrics, and video performance. Advertisers can access detailed ad performance reports, allowing them to optimize their campaigns and maximize their return on investment. These data-driven insights empower creators and advertisers to make informed decisions and improve their content and marketing strategies. YouTube's business success can be attributed to its user-generated content ecosystem, advertising model, creator monetization opportunities, partnerships, community engagement, original programming, global reach, and data-driven insights. By continuously evolving its platform, YouTube remains a dominant player in the digital video landscape, connecting creators, brands, and audiences worldwide. With its wide range of content and monetization options, YouTube continues to shape the future of online video and redefine the way we consume and engage with digital media. Like, share, subscribe our channel double for more video. Thanks for watching.